Hey guys, it's Elijah back with another video. Today I'm talking about FTX and why it's one of the most underrated cryptocurrency exchanges in the crypto space. If you guys like these informational videos, make sure to like and subscribe. I'm talking about on how this coin could potentially go to $300. I know it sounds crazy, but there's some stuff in this video that I'm going to break down that will actually clear up why I think this. You guys can see FTX token is currently $24. You guys are probably saying, how can this really go to $300? There's a couple posts or a couple blogs that I've been looking at and researching to see why this is actually a possibility and how this could be almost bigger than Binance, which is actually currently $200. Go to the About team and we'll actually see this team is stacked. They all come from these high prestigious universities where they learned all these things that we really do need to build a sustainable cryptocurrency exchange. You guys can see graduated from MIT with a degree in physics, graduated from MIT with a mathematics and computer science, and all these people have graduated from these great, well-known schools. So the second article that I'm talking about is FTX actually passed up on buying Celsius since they had a $2 billion hole in their balance sheet. So not only is this bad for Celsius, but this is good for FTX, which they know what they're doing. They don't want to just buy up every single asset because they have been buying a lot of stuff. Of course, this is probably one of the hottest articles out right now. That FTX is closing to buy BlockFi for $25 million. Of course, it kind of looks too good to be true to buy for $25 million when they were evaluated for $1 billion earlier this month. But this is kind of been misunderstood by people. There was a loan given out, and this article actually goes into it, saying FTX previously given a $250 million credit to BlockFi. So it's not actually it's not just 25 million. It's actually 275 million if you count in the credit facility or quote unquote loan. I actually just heard about this, but TSM Esports signs for like 210 million sponsorship with FTX crypto exchange. So their name on all their big social media is actually now TSM FTX. So tons of exposure from young people and the older generation. So this is great because we have such a broad demographic and crypto can meet all these needs. And then, of course, this is the one thing that you guys are probably watching this video for is what are we looking in terms of market cap to see this FTX coin actually hit $300? So I'm using an app called Market Cap of. At the current price of FTX or the current market cap of 3.3 billion, it was as high as BNB, which is, of course, this is also bear market. Only $35 billion. You guys might be saying $35 billion is a lot of money, but if FTX is acquiring all these companies, this should be easy. They should be one of the top exchanges competing with BNB for that number one spot. And you guys can see it would be $259, and that's actually pretty realistic. But if you guys can see, this app is telling us that it is possible for for FTX to get this high and be as high as market cap as BNB. And we can also say BNB could also go to higher. It could also possibly hit $1,000 or $700 like it did previously in the bull market. So guys, that's all I have on FTX. I really do like this coin. I really do think this is one of the most undervalued exchanges with crypto. If you guys like this content, make sure to like and subscribe. I'm going to be making tons of videos like this all summer about new news on crypto so you guys stay informed. And that's all I have on FTX. See you.